Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add automatic caption and subtitles in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut, tap New Project and import your video clip. You can add music by tapping Audio, then Sounds, and picking a track. Then tap on Text at the bottom of the screen. Scroll to the right and tap Auto Captions. Then choose the language and select caption style or template if you want a cool look. Then CapCut will automatically detect the speech and generate timed subtitles for your video. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.